Subscribe to Masterchef Mom and press the bell icon to get all the recipe updates.
Hope you're all good. Today I've just entered my kitchen to make lunch and the menu is Rajma Chawal. I'm going to make the simple one-pot Rajma in my pressure cooker. Last time when I shared this recipe with all of you, you had asked for a YouTube video. So today I'm going to record it. Let's get on to the recipe without any delay. So first step, I'm going to add the soaked Rajma into the pressure cooker. So this Rajma I have soaked for more than 10 hours. So 10 hours I have soaked in water and washed it twice. Soaked it, again washed it with clean water, and now I have added the Rajma. Okay, now I have switched on the gas. To this I am going to add tomato. So I am adding around 5 tomatoes, roughly chopped. Depending upon the size of the tomato, you can add 4 to 5 tomatoes. 2 medium size onions, 2 green chilies. Then ginger garlic paste I am using today. You can even use freshly crushed ginger and garlic. This is around 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Next I am going to add water. Almost 1.5 times the amount of the height of the soaked rajma. Okay, I have added that much water. Next I am going to add turmeric powder. This is optional. I'm just adding a little bit of pinch of turmeric powder. If you want to add, you can add a pinch of baking soda, but I am not adding. It's soaked well. Rajma is soaked well. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to pressure cook this. I'm also going to add salt. So now I'm going to allow this to pressure cook for up till 5 whistles on medium flame, and then 1 more whistle on low flame. So 6 whistles, and then I'll show you how it has turned out. So the pressure has come down. I am opening the pressure cooker. Let me show you. Rajma is cooked so well. So I'm switching on the gas again. Okay, and we're going to gently press the rajma a little bit so that few of them get crushed. You can even remove a few and crush and add it so that it's not very watery. So switch on the gas again and let it keep cooking for some time. So this mixture has to cook at least for another 15 minutes. Okay, by that time while it is boiling, let us prepare this tadka. So you can even use a small pan. I am using a ladle. You can even use a small pan. I am going to temper rajma with ghee. This is optional. If you want, you can use oil. I am using ghee. Around 4 teaspoons of ghee for this quantity. So to the ghee, I am going to add a pinch of asafoetida, red chili powder. This adjust according to the taste, the spice levels you prefer. And I am going to add dhania powder. If you have roasted jeera powder, you can add that. Today I am going to use the Rajma masala. Around 1 teaspoon of Rajma masala. That's it. Quickly remove from the fire and add it to the Rajma here. Otherwise the masalas will burn. Once you add the powders, you can remove from the flame and add it to the Rajma. Gently mash the Rajma. Smells amazing. If you like, you can add fresh coriander leaves also to this now. So let this boil for another 7 to 8 minutes, and then I'm going to switch off. Our Rajma is done. If you feel the Rajma is watery and you need to make it thick, just take a few beans rajma and nicely mash it like this. Then we are going to add it into the Rajma mixture. So this will help the Rajma to thicken faster. Rajma Chawal.
Well, having stayed in Delhi NCR for close to 20 years, we've literally started enjoying a lot of the local cuisine. Rajma Chawal has now become one of our family favorites. But almost like monthly, Uma does it at least twice a month. Filler, please pour on top also, no? Thank you. So, I'm going to enjoy this. You guys also enjoy your lunch.
So this is one pot Rajma. It was so easy to make. Do try out. Share your feedback with me. I'll see you soon with another delicious recipe.
Amazing.
Nice? Enjoy.
Super.
Enjoy. See you all. Happy cooking.